Alright, let's see what else we got. More Sportster crap. So we got a set of lifters, 3-cylinder bike, or three valve bike. And there's the other one over here. There's number 4. So these are twin cam and buell and Sportster. Later bike, no, 2000 up. So on the buell, 2001 up buell, and then Sportster, I think 2000 they changed on the Sportster too. Not 100% sure. So these you're looking for wear on the roller, make sure they're not pitted or screwed up or anything. And make sure they got no in play. It's hard to feel that though. Basically if they roll nice and easy and look good, they're probably good. If you want to reuse your hydraulics. This has the Sportster tappable lock retainers all here. These are also the pushrod holders. These are actually pushrod holders, not the other ports. Oh, I think it does not want to turn. There we go. Alright, so this has a pushrod retainer with the fancy seal that goes underneath for the pushrod to go through. These are the one-piece style pushrod covers. This has the pins that go on the side of the case. These here are the pins. Looks like you got a little O-ring on there for seal, I'm guessing. And then this pushes up against this like this. And you'll see this inside the case between the two pushrod covers. So it holds it together. The bolt goes in this direction now, like that. You got 2 pins right there, goes in between the 2 lifters. So these here are the guides right here, and these are the pins to keep them rotating. So they call them anti-rotation pins for a reason. Doesn't matter which way the lifter goes in because there's a big groove on it, and you can see it's got the same oil gallery on both places. So it doesn't matter how you do it. It doesn't matter what they say on the internet. So anyway, so these are the pins you need, and this should be good up to at least probably up to 02, 03, probably 03 on the 5-speed bike. Not exactly sure what year they did all this. I had to guess this is 2000. Buells ran Allen bolts that had the pins built in. They didn't use those retainer plates. And the earlier Sportster I think did the same. Not 100% sure of the years because I'm not that good on the Sportster. There's 3 different variations. You got the pins, held on little triangle pieces. You got the bolts that have the pin built in, so you got 4 Allen bolts on the side. I know the buell likes doing that one. And then you have the 04 and up rubber mount stuff. It's got a plastic retainer that drops down and holds the 2 lifters in. That's the weakest. So that's how they work. So here's the motor sprocket nut off of the bike. So it's a little parts kit. All the little stuff you need to put it together. There you go.